Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsea. Today I would like to share with you my upcoming online card class for March 2024. In this class we will be creating 6 handmade cards while learning some fun techniques with the Soft Pastels from Stampin Up. There are 3 different techniques that I will be teaching that create beautiful backgrounds for your cards. You can finish the cards with your choice of stamp set. I will be using the Painted Lavender bundle and the Petal Park stamp set with the coordinating Petal Park Builder punch. These sets do not have any greetings, and so I'm going to also be using the Perennial Postage Stamp Set with the Thoughtful Expression dies. These two do not, they're not bundled together. They are separate products. So just kind of keep that in mind if you want to do what I'm doing. But you can choose which set or dies that you want to use. You can purchase ones or you can pick some that you already own. When choosing a stamp set, you will want to look for bold floral images that also include some greenery and some other small elements. I hope you decide to join me. It will be a fun class with great techniques that I know you're going to love. To sign up for this class, please use the Google form, and I will link it up here in the top right corner, or you can also visit the link in the description box below. I am excited to share these cards with you today, so let's go check them out now. Here are the cards we will be creating in this beautiful backgrounds soft pastel class. I love how each background gives a different feeling to the cards. Some have a softer, dreamy feeling, while others have a bold, brighter look. The textures that you can create with the soft pastels offer unique looks that you can't get with any other mediums. I'm excited to share these techniques with you during the class. If you would like to make multiple sets of cards, I will be offering a cardstock refill kit for $15 that can be purchased along with a full kit. Get the details on my blog. I'm so excited to make these cards with you. I can hardly wait. I hope you decide to join me. It will be an amazing class. This class will run from Monday, March 25th through Saturday, March 30th. We will meet each day during the week to create one of the 6 cards. This class is open to everyone, customers and demonstrators. Participants can join me live at 10 a.m. Mountain Time for the sessions during the week, or they can watch the replay videos at their leisure. The class fee is $35 and you can register through my blog. It's creativechelsea.com and the direct link is below in the description. Registration for this class closes on Sunday, March 3rd. Sign up as soon as possible to reserve your spot. When you sign up, you will receive a class kit. This kit is only available to participants in the United States. If you live outside of the US, you can choose the tutorial-only option. This kit will include cardstock, card bases, and envelopes for all 6 cards. No pre-cut shapes will be included. A new pack of iridescent foil gems, a roll of crumb cake baker's twine, 1 blender pen, and 1 small blending brush. If you would like to make multiple sets of cards, I will be offering a cardstock refill kit for $15 that can be purchased along with a full kit. It includes all the cardstock and envelopes to make another set of cards. I do not include the gems, crumb cake, twine, blender pen, or blending brush because you will have enough of these items left over to make more cards. You can purchase as many of either kits as you would like. Get the details on my blog. Please note that I reserve the right to switch products based on availability. Substituted products will be of similar value and keep the integrity of the design. All of my online classes are live, and you can watch them through a private Facebook group or with a private YouTube link. We will have 6 live sessions scheduled at 10 a.m. Mountain Time each day during the week. And in each session, I will walk you through how to make the card and show you the techniques needed. If you're able to join me live, you can also ask questions and get personal help. These video sessions will be recorded and you will be available for you to watch it in the replay at any time. I will also be providing written PDFs with step-by-step instructions for each card to everyone. If you cannot join me live, you can choose to have the private video link and the written PDF sent to your email so that you can complete the cards at a different time. To participate in this class and complete these cards, you will need to have these supplies. They will not be provided to you in your class kit. These items are listed in the class details on my blog. If you need to purchase any of these items, please purchase them through my online store and use the host code provided on my blog. You'll want to first have the Soft Pastels. This is the older assortment. It includes kind of 2 yellow-orange colors. The new assortment has 1 yellow and then like 1 pink color. So you can get this assortment still online. It is in the clearance section, or you can get the newer version as well. And I've listed both of those item numbers below in the description. So make sure to grab that. You will also want to have a stamp set of some sort of floral stamp set. So I'm going to be using the Painted Lavender, which you can get in a bundle coordinating with these dies, the Painted Lavender dies. I'm also going to show how you can use the same techniques with the Petal Park stamp set, which doesn't come anymore in the bundle, but it does have this coordinating Petal Park Builder Punch. So make sure to grab that too if you are interested in creating the cards with this stamp set. Both of those stamp sets don't have greetings, so I did need to pull in a stamp set with greetings, and I love this Perennial Postage. And it does have some dies that coordinate, but I really love these dies here. And they're in the Thoughtful Expression dies. And so I'm using these ones as well as a couple of these shapes. So pick out some greetings that you like and then some dies that also go well with that greeting. Or if your stamp set has greetings, that will work. For inks, you will want the Versamark ink pad, Melon Mambo, Berry Burst, Blackberry Bliss, Crushed Curry, Early Espresso, Mossy Meadow, and Old Olive. You will also want some embossing folders, and I'm using the Distressed Tile embossing folder as well as the Softly Sophisticated embossing folder. This is a celebration item that bundles with a stamp set. So you can really use any embossing folder that has a fun pattern to it that you want to kind of bring out. The techniques we're going to be using will also need a heat tool just to kind of speed up some drying. You will also want to have some soft tissues that you can use and then throw away when we're done with the techniques, as well as some Q-tips for blending, and you will also can just throw these away when you're done with them. So just make sure to have those on hand. Here are the tools and adhesive you will need. You will want your Take-A-Pick tool, a Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, ribbon, scissors, and paper snips. You will want a Simply chamois or another way to clean your stamps. And if you're using photopolymer, you will want to have a paper piercing mat or something to give yourself a really nice clean image. You will also need some coordinating clear blocks, and then your favorite adhesives such as dimensionals, both the regular and the mini size. You will maybe want some Stampin' Seal Plus, tear and tape. We also have liquid glue and mini glue dots. So there's just a couple other products that I forgot to mention. You will need a fixative when using Soft Pastels. I like this Aquanet hairspray. It's cheap. You can find it a lot of different places, and it does a really good job. So this is what I'll be using. And then you will also need your paper trimmer. I am so excited for this class and hope you decide to join me. Sign up today through my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the link is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.